All right, so the last step that I need to do is I need to export this as a DXF file. Now, if I just go to File, Export, it's gonna, I can select Export As, and I can select a DXF. But the problem, I'm going to cancel this, is that it's going to export the entire file, which means that it's going to export all of the copies, the backup copies that I have of my design. So in order to avoid that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select just the version that I want to export, the final version, the one that I've tested with the direct select tool to see if I have any islands or anything left over. And now I'm going to go to File. I'm going to select it with just the normal selection tool though, now that I've tested it. And I'm going to go Export, Export As. And I'm going to select DXF. I'll call it something. Let's call it 108 Jack Pine. Oops. Pine Bay. I'm just going to put it into my downloads because, actually not. I'm going to put it into my program files where I keep all of my Illustrator files. Perfect. I'll put it in here and I'm going to export it. But now I see that I have this window here. And what I want to make sure that I have selected is that I have just export selected art only. I want to make sure that I have that selected. That way it's only going to export the part of the file that I have selected. I'll press OK. And now if I go into that folder, I'll be able to find that file. And that's the file that you can put onto a USB stick and take it to the CNC Plasma computer. Congrats, you're ready to cut.